Good morning, beautiful souls. This is Andreina, and this class is perfect for when you wake up in the morning and your body is feeling tight and stiff, and you just want to wake it up and feel fresh, energized, and ready to rise and shine. So let's start in a cross-leg position. This is called Sukhasana. And if this feels too uncomfortable, then you can place 2 pillows under your knees or 2 yoga blocks. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna start bending from side to side. Usually this movement is perfect when your body is just waking up in the morning, or it is too tight, too stiff. So this movement is nice and gentle. One last time. And then from here, we're gonna lift the hands up and we're gonna twist to the left. So right hand is gonna be on the left knee and left hand is gonna be behind your back. And we're gonna gently twist to the left and look over the left shoulder. And then we're gonna come to center and we're gonna twist to the other side. Make sure that your chest is lifted. Make sure that you're taking deep inhales and deep exhales. And then we're gonna come to center, hands on the knees. And we're gonna do what is called a seated cat-cow. So as you exhale, round the spine and look at your navel. And as you inhale, lift the chest and look up. Again, round the spine, look at the navel. Lift the chest and look up. Last time. Round the spine. Lift the chest. And come to center. So from here, we're gonna take the hands behind you and we're gonna open the legs almost in a 90 degree. And then we're gonna move from side to side and drop the knees. We're gonna come to center, drop the knees, and then look to the right. And then come to center, and then we're gonna look to the left. If this is too uncomfortable, then what you can do is you can actually place your hands a little bit farther. And this is a perfect stretch to open up the hips. Usually the hips are really tight in the morning. So this is a perfect stretch to slowly open them up. One last time. And then from here, cross the legs and let's come to all fours. So wrist under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Then from here, extend the right leg and we're gonna use the ball of our feet to push ourselves forward and then back. Forward and then back. Forward and back. Last time. Forward and then back. Then lift the leg, cross it to your left as far as you can, and then look over the left shoulder. This is gonna be a nice stretch on the right side. And then let's come to center, knees down. And then extend the left leg. And then again, let's push forward and then back. This is a perfect stretch for the calves, the ankles, the toes. Then back. And then back. Last time. And then forward. And then back. Then lift the leg, cross it to your right, and then look over your right shoulder. Now this is going to be a nice side stretch on the left side. And let's come to center, knee down. And then tuck the toes, lift the hips, and we're gonna come into downward facing dog. So you can move the feet towards the end of the mat. And from here, we're gonna just walk the dog. That's how we call it in yoga. So just extend one leg and then bend the knee. You can do this one leg at a time. You can do it two legs at a time. Make this your movement. So this is your moment on the mat. Whatever feels comfortable for you, as long as it feels nice and comfortable, then go for it. If you feel pain, then back off. You can even extend one leg, twist the hip, stay there for a second, and then you can switch sides if that feels comfortable. There is no right or wrong on this one. Or I would say there is no wrong on this one as long as you don't feel any pain. And you can do whatever you want to do in these movements. And then from here, bend the knees. Slowly walk towards the end of the mat. And then make sure your feet are hips width distance apart. And then grab your elbows and you can sway from side to side. Make sure that your neck is not tense. Sometimes we forget that the neck it tends to get a little bit tense in these movements. Same with the shoulders. And then make sure that your head is relaxed, neck is relaxed, shoulders back. And then we're gonna move slowly all the way up. Head is gonna be last. And from here, we're gonna do big shoulder rolls. So 3 times forward. 1, 2, 3, and then backwards. 1, 2, and 3. Just shake your arms a little bit, shake your legs, your whole body. Feel nice and tall, and exhale. Thank you for joining me in this class. If you have any requests, leave it below in the comment section. Subscribe if you want to get more of these yoga classes, and I hope you have an amazing day.